But let me start from here. So now we are near Khor Virap Monastery, which is one of the oldest monasteries in Armenia. Khor Virap translated means deep dungeon, and why I will tell you. So before we adopted Christianity as our religion, official religion, we were pagan temples. So we were worshipping other gods, god of beauty, god of water, god of light. And history states that here was a temple of goddess of beauty. But after we adopted Christianity, our king Tirdat III, he ordered to destroy every pagan temple, and he started to build monasteries and churches instead. But how it happened? So, first apostles Jude and Thaddeus, after Jesus Christ apostles, came to Armenia to preach Christianity. But that time we had King Tirdat I. He refused to admit any Christianity. After that came Apostle Jude only and brought with him a spear as a proof that Roman soldiers surrounded Jesus Christ while he was crucified. But also at that time we didn't accept any Christianity. So years passed and Armenia was fighting against Parthia. So son of Parthia from royal family, Gregory the Illuminator, came, and here we had a great meeting of Gregory Illuminator and Tirdat III, already the grandson of Tirdat I. So Tirdat III knows that their fathers were involved in deadly battle, and Gregory's father killed Tirdat III's father. So when Gregory Illuminator started to talk about Christianity and he wanted to preach people Bible studies here, Tirdat III got very angry and he threw him in a deep dungeon, which is here, full of snakes and scorpions, because he wanted to kill him.
It's in the Bible also.
Gregory Illuminator was praying, nothing hurt him that time. But that time, the queen, sister of Tirdat III, she saw a vision that Gregory Illuminator is telling the truth, and she told about her vision to her father. But he didn't accept it. So as Christianity was under ban, people thought that she had a demon inside. So Tirdat III king forced to send her to Cappadocia, which is behind Ararat mountain and used to be Armenian territory. Her motherland was there, Cappadocia. So while that, his face started to become as a big face, as a not human face. So he got a serious illness, and wherever he went, whoever he asked, no one, nothing could cure him. After 13 years, Khosrow's queen coming to Armenia again, and she said that she had 5 times that vision, and she begged him to free out Gregory Illuminator. And only that time, as he was already very sick and weak, he decided to listen to his sister. So he called out Gregory Illuminator, and when he came, he was not that angry that he was imprisoned in a deep dungeon. He started to pray for Tirdat III, and he got his face, his human face, back again. At the 6th century. He built this chapel on a dungeon. So when we enter, I will show you what is there. After we had a small, this black monastery, But as we had many clashes with our neighbors, with Arabian people, Kurdish people, Turkish people, and also Mongol Tatars, every time they came to Armenia, they burned down, first of all, our literature and our monasteries. One mentioned, after we adopted Christianity, we had a person, Mesut Mastot, who created our alphabet. We have 39 letters, and he created it. People say that he has a vision on a cross, he saw letters. So when our neighbors were burning down our monasteries and literature, we started to write in the walls. To keep our letters, to keep the writings, and to keep some phrases from the Bible. That's at the year of 405 after Christ.
King Theodates III ruled over Armenia. His assistant was the Christian Gregory Nusavich, who preached the Christian religion. However, Theodates, a follower of pagan religion, was not pleased with having an advisor of the different religion, and he subjected Gregory to severe torture. When news reached the king that Gregory's father, Anak the Persian, was responsible for the murder of the king's father, the king ordered that Gregory's hands and legs be tied and be thrown into the Khor Virap to die in the dark dungeon located in Arshatan. In addition, Gregory's refusal to offer sacrifice to the goddess Anahita provoked the king to torture him and condemned him to imprisonment in Khor Virap. He was then forgotten, and the king waged wars and persecution among Christian minorities. However, Gregory did not die during his 13 years of imprisonment. His survival was attributed to a Christian widow from the local town who, under the influence of strange dream vision, regularly fed Gregory by dropping a loaf of freshly baked bread into the pit.